Hakajingele ban kintiu yaki kam Jngohkai Pyrthei. Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad ke Sangma nin kesni ula pelat yaki kali Jngohkai Pyrthei na ke Bynta ki tour operator bat ki briu. Kumsi Bynta jong kini ke skim ke sorkar kelawanra yaki khandriutli ki kali Innova Krista menta kesni bat kini ki kali kin ai ya ke jing syakri ka babhatam na ke Bynta ki nongwan Jngohkai. Katanat ki kam Jngohkai Pyrthei kelajit san pongut ki briu bat ke kinhun na pelat nrus pa ngut ki bat hep kerteng ki bala apply ya kini ke skim. Ka sorkar kan ai san pau na ke shispa ka subsidy hapo jang kini ke skim ka bakintup ya ke jingsiu ya karam na ke Bynta ki arsnem ki banwan.
On an annual basis, we have, as of now, we have roughly about 60,000 youths who join the workforce every year. And this is based on the data of 18 years back, the birth rate, and based on that, on the 18 years, we presume that a person is ready to work and joining the workforce. So if you were to go with that explanation and that kind of justification, then roughly about 60,000 youths are joining the workforce every year. And 18 years from now, we will have 80,000 youths joining the workforce every year.